Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of home renovation. If you are looking to significantly increase your home's value before selling or just want to give it a fresh look, then this video is packed with tips and tricks. So let's get started on the best ways to add value to your house. In my experience, it's not just about big changes, sometimes it's small tweaks that can make the biggest difference. Paint, the greatest ROI. Did you know that a simple coat of paint can offer the greatest return of investment? Freshening up your rooms with a simple coat of white paint can significantly boost your home's appeal. Cost-wise, it would be around £30 for a 10-litre tub of paint, so you can easily modernise your home and bring it back to life just under £100 with a brush and a roller. This is an easy DIY project, especially if you can drag some friends and family into the project to help you out. Next up, flooring. Updating old or worn out floors can transform the space instantly. If you've been in a house that stinks, it's usually dirty old carpets that have never been replaced or cleaned. I prefer wood style flooring as it's easier to clean and harder wearing. Now you can get natural oak wood effect flooring for around £15 to £20 a square metre and it's easy to fit yourself. I got a cutting tool from Screwfix for £60 and I managed to fit 5 good sized rooms, saving me around £1,500 in labour compared to getting a floor fitter in, and to be honest, it wasn't that difficult. Curb appeal. Don't forget about curb appeal, as first impressions count. No one wants to turn up to a home after a hard day's work and see some run-down house that looks like it's about to fall down or something. A new door or cleaning the brickwork can make a house look a lot more attractive. A new UPVC door will set you back around £500, but if you have a wooden door, you can sand this down and give it a fresh coat of paint to bring it back to life, which is going to be much more cost effective. If you're going to pressure wash your brickwork, make sure you do this correctly and you have it on the right settings, otherwise you're going to damage the masonry pretty badly. Basic garden clearance. A well-maintained garden is also a big plus. Basic clearance and upkeep can go a long way. Nothing fancy, just a nice cut garden and trees maintained, and pressure washing patio areas. I recently had a garden clearance on a renovation I did, and it cost me around £900 to turn it from a jungle into something usable. You can do this yourself with a lawnmower, a strimmer, and some pruning tools, but landscape gardening can be hard work and is not something very enjoyable when it's wet and cold outside. Not all renovations are beneficial. Avoid overly personalised choices like a fancy light switch or swimming pools or underfloor heating, and don't lose a bedroom by knocking down walls unnecessarily. Now let's switch gears to some budget-friendly renovation tips that can still make a significant impact. Typically, a new kitchen fit-out will cost you several thousands of pounds, but you can still get a new kitchen feel without breaking the bank. Try respraying your cabinets and changing the handles. It's a fraction of the cost of a new kitchen, but still highly effective. I know people who have done this and it really makes it look like a brand new kitchen. For just a few £100s and a couple of hours work, it's definitely worth it. In the bathroom, small changes like changing the taps or swapping a shower curtain for a big screen can make a big difference, as well as cleaning the grouting or using a grouting pen around the tiles. You might want to also consider creating an open plan living area by knocking a wall down. It creates a lighter and more spacious environment, but just be mindful of the costs in case there's a sporting wall. Think about trying to add extra space where you can, whether it's an extension or an extra bedroom or converting your loft. More usable space often means more value. All these renovations can be achieved over a couple of weekends, making your home more attractive to prospective buyers or just simply more enjoyable for you. Remember, whether it's a major overhaul or small tweaks, your efforts can significantly boost your home's value and appeal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. And hopefully I will see you soon in the next video.